Hey everyone, this is matrix number 7 video. This one is about something new. This being determinants of 2 by 2 matrices. What is a determinant? We're going to find out right now. But first, of course, we need to define some vocabulary. So what I've got here, one word to define is this. A square matrix. So any matrix that is n by n. What I mean by that is same rows, same columns. So square matrices have the same number of rows and columns. So a 2 by 2 or a 1 by 1 or a 3 by 3, anything like this, 2 by 2, a 5 by 5, right? So definitely not a 1 by 2, right? That's not a square matrix. A 2 by 4, right? Not a square matrix. The reason we call these square matrices is because, like a 3 by 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, just made one up there. When you make the matrix, it's kind of square. It's actually exactly square because you have the same amount of rows as you do columns. As you do columns. So, square matrix, any matrix that's the same thing by the same thing. So get that in your notes. Okay, we need that to go to our topic for the day. So this is the definition of a determinant. So a determinant is, of a 2 by 2 matrix, so something like this, right? 2 rows, 2 columns, is AD minus BC. So I kind of gave each element a little letter for a name. So what I do is I take A times D and subtract B times C. So it's kind of like this. I take this, right, minus that. Kind of weird there. Basically, again, you just take A times D and then subtract B times C. So you're probably asking me, how, why, and what? What's this for? In the next day of videos, we're going to show inverses, and this is important for inverses. But I first want to walk you through this because this is kind of the easier thing to do. So once you can do this, you can then do inverses. Okay, so let's see an example of this. So first example. Here's my matrix. I want to find the determinant of that matrix. So DET, this is short for determinant. So when you see this, think determinant. Okay, so same thing, right? AD minus BC. So I'm going to take this right there, so 7 times 2, and then minus BC, so minus these terms. So minus 4 times negative 3. Ends up being 14 minus negative 12. So it's 14 plus 12, right? So your answer is, thought I was going to erase that there. Your answer is 26. So 26 is this matrix's determinant. Okay, let's do one more. So now I have this matrix, right? This 2 by 2, right? This square matrix, 4, 8, 1, 2. I want to find this matrix's determinant. So again, take this one here, 4 times 2, so that's 8, and then subtract away 1 times 8. Ends up being 8 minus 8. This determinant is 0, right? Nada, nothing. So a 2 by 2 is pretty quick. Think about it as criss minus cross, right? Criss minus cross. So like this one, 4 times 2 minus that one, 1 times 8. So try doing this next one here. So I'm going to do one here, make one up right on the spot. So example 3. Let's go 5, 0, negative 3, negative 2. So try this one. So find the determinant of this matrix here. So right now on your own, try and do it and see if you can get the answer. So I'll give you a few seconds to pause this, try and do it yourself, and see how you do. So you should have negative 6 for an answer here. If you didn't get that, I'll show you why. Because 5 times 0, right, in the definition, that's A times D, right, top to bottom, like left to right. So that's 0, and then minus 6, because it's negative 3 times negative 2, that's positive 6. So your answer is negative 6. Okay? So go ahead and stop this. This is over now. The next video will be 3 by 3 determinants. These are a lot more steps, so brace yourselves for that. But for now, until you click on the next video, bye y'all.